Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Apps to view all installed packages on your phone. Scroll or use the search field to locate Game Optimizing Service or the SSGamix package name. Tap the service entry to open its app info screen and review permissions, storage, and battery details before taking action. Confirm you are looking at the correct package by checking the package name listed under App Details. This ensures you will modify only the Game Optimizing Service settings on this device. Tap Disable or Force Stop to immediately halt the service processes running in the background. Next, choose Clear Cache and then Clear Data to remove temporary settings and any stored optimizations. After clearing, use the battery or background activity controls to turn off background activity for the app and prevent automatic restarts. If a Disable button is grayed out, you will need elevated steps, such as revoking permissions or using an alternative tech method to block the package. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone before connecting to your computer. Install ADB on your computer, connect the phone with a USB cable, and confirm the device shows in a DB device's output. Run a DB shell PM disable user 0com. Samsung, Android. Game and press Enter to disable the package for the primary user. Reboot the phone to apply changes and verify the service no longer runs in settings or battery usage lists after startup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.